started playing golf at the Waumbek in the early 1980s. There was a very vibrant golf community here. The course was in pretty good shape, and we really enjoyed it.
It's been our go-to golf course. The beauty of what you're looking at behind me is what draws almost everybody here.
In 1895, the first 9 holes of this golf course was the first golf course in the state of New Hampshire. In 1899, there were an additional 9 holes. That was the first 18-hole golf course in the state of New Hampshire.
We wanted to revive the Waumbek because it's such a huge piece of what Jefferson really is.
The last few years, we've made major improvements to the golf course, from drainage to cart paths to new sprinkler heads for the greens. Everything we've done to the golf course to try to improve playability.
It needed a lot of work, and I think we've put that work in.
You know, first and foremost, we wanted to save the golf course, and we wanted to create a space that honors the history of the place and is welcoming to the community. We envision a very limited, small number of townhouses on the golf course, single-family house lots that will be accessible from the ball field in Jefferson.
Purchase a home here, your day is filled with beautiful views, great community. It's a wonderful place to relax.
Your day at the Waumbek starts by looking at this spectacular view.
You'll never find views like this that are still pristine and available.
If you're somebody that's into the outdoors, you like hiking, hunting, fishing, this town has quite a bit to offer. A beautiful course. It's hard to find a course with the views that this has.
This area has every amenity you could really look for, and if it's not here, it's very close.
It's a great community. It's a wonderful place to relax. There's so many things to do here in the outdoors, and that's what people can look forward to if they purchase a home here.
I think that for the first time, this clubhouse has a role in the community.
I will say that a lot of the town comes here. It has something that Jefferson hasn't had for quite some time.
A laid-back lifestyle to enjoy beautiful views and all of the amenities of the outdoors, escaping from the busy city life that maybe you came from. I think people are just really excited to have a hub, this nice gathering spot.
A lot of memories, a lot of good things to bring back to the community, having a golf course here. It welcomed you in, and that's what we'd like to bring back.
We intend to continue improving the golf course as we go along. I'd like to see more people playing golf and enjoying the course and the restaurant. I think we'll continue to develop a stronger community here.